Hello everyone, this is our fitting shop of Mechanical Engineering Department, Nearest. And you can see these are the jobs of fitting shop, types of joint, C joint, V joint, T joint, C clamps, some kind of the hammers and different other jobs. So what is the fitting shop? It is the process of assembling and fitting at a right place different part of machine manufactured by different manufacturing process. So it has been divided into category fitting tools and fitting operations. So we can see here there is some kind of the fitting tools, some is measuring tools. In the measuring tools you can see clearly this is the vernier caliper and micrometer, this one is the dial gauge indicator, and this is the digital vernier caliper and digital micrometer. This is the bevel protector. It has wide application in architecture and mechanical drawing. The bevel protector is used to establish and test angles to very close tolerance, and it can measure any angle from 0 to 360 degree. These are some soft tools of the fitting shop, and you can see this is the drill bit, chisel, tri-square and hexa, this cross pin hammer. So the file is defined as the steel hand tool with small sharp teeth on some oral of its surfaces used for smoothing metal or wood. So this is the nomenclature of the file, and there is types of the files. So you can see there is some single cut and double cut file. Okay, you can see here there is many kind of the file. This is square file, half round file, flat file, triangular file and circular file. These some shop equipments like machine table wise, bench wise, pipe wise, drill wise. You can see this is the bench wise, you can see this is the pipe wise, and this is the drill wise. For measure the flatness of workpiece and for marking out the small works we use this surface plate. Okay. Now you can see this is the tri-square. It is used for marking at 90 degree. It is also used to check whether the workpiece has cutted at right angle or not. So next one, this one is the scriber. It is used to scratching a line or marking a point on the workpiece. And you can see this is the odd leg caliper. It is used mainly to scribe lines parallel to the edge of metal or plastic, or to use the marking gauge. And you can see this is the divider, this is the outside caliper, sorry, this is the caliper, the outside caliper, and this is the inside caliper. Okay, and you can see this is the divider. It consists of a joint pair of legs, and they can be used for geometrical operations such as scribing circle, but also for taking of the transferring dimensions. And you can see this is the punch, and this is used for marking the center on the work metal. And this is maybe three kind of the punch: pick punch, dot punch and center punch. So pick punch have the 30 degree of the angle at this corner of the edge, and dot punch having 60 degree, and the center punch has 90 degree of the point. It is used to provide for the wide punch mark for drilling purpose. Center punch we used to provide for the wide punch mark for drilling purpose. You can see some hand tools which we used for threading purpose, some kind of the drill bit of different diameter, You can see the tool geometry of drill and different kind of the drilling operation, counter boring, drilling, tapping, reaming. Shop equipments. This is a pillar drill machine. This is also one kind of the pillar drill machine. This is grinding machine. Power press machine used in sheet metal as well as in fitting shop also. This is the pipe bending machine. And this is the radial drill machine. And this is a power hexa machine. It is capable to cut the metal of maximum diameter of 200 mm and in the square is 175 mm.